The management staff of Maryam Abacha American University of Nigeria, MAAUN Kano, led by the founder and chairman governing council of the university, Professor Adamu Abubakar Gwarzo, has attended the funeral prayer of the late Malam Haruna Abdullahi Gwarzo in Gwarzo town of Kano State on Wednesday. The Deputy Governor of Kano State, Comrade Aminu Abdulsalam Gwarzo, was among the dignitaries that attended the funeral prayer held around 5:30 p.m. Late Malam Haruna Abdullahi was the father of Dr. Murtala Haruna, Coordinator Basic Sciences in the School of Health Sciences of the university. He died at Malam Aminu Kano Teaching Hospital, AKTH, at the age of 85 following a protracted illness. Among other management staff of the university that attended the funeral prayer were the President of MAAUN, Professor Dr. Mohammad Israr, Vice President Administration Dr. Habib Awais Abubakar, and Director Academic Planning and Quality Assurance Dr. Nura A. Yaro. Also in attendance were the Director Founder's Office Dr. Aliyu, Vice President Campus Life Dr. Hamza Garba, Vice President Finance Dr. Abdurazak Kayode, and Director University Clinic Dr. Muhammad Tahir Garu, among others. Condoling the bereaved family, Professor Gwarzo described the deceased as a father and a great educationist who contributed to the development of education in Gwarzo, Kano State, and the country at large. He said the people of Gwarzo and indeed Kano State have lost a rare gem who contributed immensely towards the development of education in the state. According to him, the death of Malam Haruna Abdullahi was a huge loss not only to his immediate family, but to the entire people of Kano State. On behalf of my family and the entire management of the university, I wish to extend our deepest condolences to the family of the deceased. Professor Gwarzo prayed to Almighty Allah to grant the deceased Al-Jannatul Firdaus and his family the fortitude to bear the irreplaceable loss. The deceased, who left behind one wife and 14 children and many grandchildren, was a director in the State Secondary School Management Board KSSMB after serving as a principal in some secondary schools. Meanwhile, Professor Gwarzo, in company of management staff of the university, had paid a condolence visit to Dr. Ali Miringa's relatives who lost a family member in Goranduze area of Kano metropolis recently. May the Almighty Allah forgive all their shortcomings and admit them in the highest level of Jannah, inshallah. Ameen.